So it appears that YouTube finally decided to reveal the 100 million subscriber plaque, which will be given out to every single YouTube channel who reaches 100 million. Obviously, at this current moment, those two channels are T-Series and PewDiePie. I'm sure a lot of you guys would favor PewDiePie over T-Series though, so we're just gonna say PewDiePie. So yeah, this is confirmed to be PewDiePie's 100 million subscriber award.
Got a letter in the post. What is this? I like the color scheme, YouTube. Very nice. It even got a letter from Susan. I won't read the whole thing, but it finishes with congratulations again on becoming Marcia's husband. And please give Sven a big hug from us. Thank you, Susan. Now, if you've been on Twitter, you've seen this already. But here it is. Let me get this out of the way. Oh my god, I've smudged it already. Ba-da! PewDiePie, congratulations on passing 100 million subscribers. I know a lot of people wanted a custom reward, but I don't care. This is awesome. And of course, thank you, YouTube. Where would I be without you? That's it for me for now. Please subscribe. We're trying to hit 1,000 million. Is that a billion? Oh my god. Let's get it. We have to beat... No, I'm just kidding. See you gamers tomorrow.